Coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was out of Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, and he was just finishing up a 1968 Corvette, a 427 big block original motor numbers matching Corvette. So anyways, I thought y'all would enjoy it. Let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it.
I'm a big fan of this generation Corvette. I think they nailed it as far as appearance and looks. And the handling and all, performance was good for the time. Now to get in one, the fantasy's better than the reality. You know, they don't handle and drive like new ones, that's for sure. But you can make them that way. Clean car up underneath, but that's the downside to have a numbers matching cars. You can only do so many changes before you diminish the value of it. So, you know, you really can't do a lot with this one. Change the wheels, keep the originals, you know, those kind of things. Upgrade the interior. But luckily, it was a cool car from the factory. So there's no shame in the game, as they say. But you can't customize or, you know, really make it uniquely yours. But just wanted to give you a quick walk around before I went and got Steve. Steve, a 68 Corvette. I love these generation Corvettes.
Oh, I do too. It's one of my favorite body styles. Just iconic shark style Corvette.
No, I agree with you. I don't think they get the respect they deserve, but I think it's one of the best looking. I love all Corvettes. I'm kind of like you, but yeah. I think this is one of the best generations.
I believe they're going to be coming around really strong here for long.
Keep putting cool interiors in them like this. That can't hurt. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, Joe Sprano from New York sent us a car down here, and he didn't like the stock interior, just all plastic. You know how, you know, the original.
68.
Yeah, 68. It had blue metallic material in there and everything. So he wanted to darken up, and, you know, change it, make it more updated, leather interior. So we put a darker blue interior with a red stitch in it, just a little splash of red in the door panels, and upgraded it a little bit and put C5 Corvette seats in it. And we put a red stitch on all the console, the back, going down the dash, up around the top of the dash into the door panels, and then in the seats to incorporate everything together. It really looks pretty cool. Somebody's like, why do you put red on blue? But I mean, you know, look at it.
I like red on blue. Yeah. It's like that Grand Sport they did, you know. No, I think it's cool, and I think the seats fit in there really well. You can tell that they're modern, but they don't look out of place. They look like they belong.
And they're comfortable too.
No, that's the other thing. Those 68 seats weren't very comfortable.
No, they're flat.
Exactly.
No support at all in them.
Cool. No, I think y'all hit another one out of the park. Tell me, is that carpet, factory carpet they used in there?
It's actually, I usually like to try to use the Daytona square weave, but they didn't have a color dark enough, so we used automotive loop pile, which would have probably come original like that in this car. So we used it, and, you know, obviously molded it all together where it looks a lot better. We didn't buy just a fitted carpet kit. We bought the roll goods, cut it, fit it, glued it in there, and it matched the leather really nice.
No, I think too that even if it was by mistake, I think it worked out nice. It gave a nice tip to the original
70s
car.
Look, right? 60s, late 60s, 70s, yeah, it fit it real good.
No, I dig it, man.
I mean, I love the car. It's factory big block, 4-speed, air conditioning. I mean, you know, that was the thing back in 68. I mean,
that's the whole box. That's every box you check right there.
Yeah, you had the ZL1 of the 60s.
Right on. Well, brother, you and the boys hit another one out of the park.
I appreciate it, Scotty. Thank you.
And you know I wouldn't get you out of here without seeing the under the hood of this 427 big block. Looks like in 68 they offered several 427 big block cars. They offered a 454 big block too. Still some real horsepower they were pulling out of them. But I'm not sure which one this has in it. They were all, you know, whatever, upper 3s, lower 4s in horsepower rating. The fact that there's one that survives and there it sits in front of you, that's what's cool about this car. That, and of course, the Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interior, of course. The whole car's cool, though. Like I said, I'm down with this generation, for sure. So there you go, from Steve Holcomb Pro Auto Custom Interiors, a 1968 Corvette 427 big block, air conditioned, 4-speed. What about that? Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.